All right, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2019 Volvo XC90 T6 R design in bursting blue, which is an exclusive color for the R design trim level, and it has a charcoal nubuck and Napa leather interior. This has less than 24,000 miles on it. We've just put a full set of new brakes on this, so you won't have to worry about that for a while. It has the advanced package, so you get the 360-degree camera system, the graphic heads-up display, and the pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. Integrated roof rails make it easy to accessorize with some racks or a box. Keyless entry and hands-free power liftgate are very nice, convenient features. This is a 7-seat SUV, but I have the back folded down so you can see how much space there is back there. Panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade lets in a ton of light. Carbon fiber inlays, sensational. This has the integrated booster seat in the middle and heated seats on the sides. These two side seats are heated. These are 3 independent seats, and you can slide them up using that bar right there. And the booster pops down flat. You just grab that little handle and push it down. More carbon fiber, and I love the perforated leather on the doors. I think that's such a cool feature. The attention to detail is sensational on these Harman & Kardon. Stereo system, memory seating for 3. We get the sport seats. Swedish flag sewn into all the seats. That's a nod to the craftsmanship, and these just are amazing, beautiful cars. Leather wrapped tailored dashboard. This is the list of safety features you can count on to keep you safe. Part of the IntelliSafe system, and that's a radar-based system. This is your main home screen, and it is a touch screen. We've got navigation. This is where you can access your climate control and your heated seat and steering wheel. You'll find vehicle functions all the way to the left. That super cool 360-degree camera system where you can choose what camera you'd like for a better view. Great for parking, making sure you're not running over barriers in a parking lot. The heads-up display and adjustment is here. The heads-up is displayed up there on your windshield, and in real life it's not blinking, I promise. On the camera it does blink, and you can put the road sign information. You can also put the turn-by-turn directions for navigation in there. And then all the way to the right is where you'll be able to access your apps. You can download whatever app you'd like through here. And it's all set up with SiriusXM. Your drive mode selection is here. It's always set to comfort, but you can have the fuel efficient option or the off-road, which is great for gravel and a little bit of snow, charge through the snowbank. Dynamic, quicker shifting, peppier drive. Super fun. Well, if you are ready to live life in full color, this is stock number 21180A. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need, and we hope to see you soon because we've got your car.